I don't know if you heard it, but they are champions. That means they won. So let's give them a big Westside Wolves. Congratulations. Let's go.
It turned out to be one of the best tasting cheese bites we have, if not the best cheese bite flavor-wise that we have. And they're serving it for the first time anywhere in the United States today at Westside High School.
Chipotle chicken.
I think it tastes similar to ours. I'm surprised we were actually able to get the stuffing inside.
It's good, it's good.
Kind of surreal, like to think that like the things that we created with our hands is now going to be like given to all of my fellow peers and all across the nation. So it's just a great feeling to have.
I'm very impressed. I think having this opportunity is just like, it's a great thing, you know, like because there are kids who are definitely, they're capable of doing something like this, but they just aren't lucky enough to have the kind of resources to put it into practice.
New flavor and I like it.
Westside, we are super proud of our students in the Culinary Arts Department, our great chefs, our wonderful kids.
I said it better. I like the chicken. It's pre-seasoned well. It feels fresh, tastes fresh.
I'm excited to see the change it makes within them.
I'm honestly very proud of myself and very proud of my friends because I never thought that I would be in this position today, and it was just an amazing opportunity.